After showers and thunderstorms this morning, we have another round of thunderstorms that's developed this afternoon in the Wabash Valley. And this one does have some severe thunderstorm warnings as well. As you can see, many of us quiet right now in the Wabash Valley, but right over Jasper County, we have a severe thunderstorm right now. This has prompted a warning for Clay, Effingham, Jasper, Richland, Lawrence, and Crawford counties. This is going to be in effect until 5:15 Central Time, so still about another hour left on this warning. Right now, the core of the thunderstorm just to the southwest of the city of Newton. It's moving down to the southeast at about 25 miles per hour, and the National Weather Service says this thunderstorm is capable of producing wind gusts as high as 60 miles per hour and even hail as large as half-dollar size. That's a little bit bigger than quarters, though at this point, we haven't gotten any reports of that here in the Weather Center. So I can put a track on that. It's going to be moving into St. Marie right about now, but you notice it's on the little fringe of the storm there. Dundas around 4:33 Central Time, and eventually into the city of Olney around 5:02 Central Time. So it's moving fairly slowly. Of course, with thunderstorms, you're also going to have a lot of lightning, and then heavy rain is going to be a concern because this thunderstorm is moving so slowly. Now we can look inside the thunderstorm, take a slice and see how tall this thunderstorm is. You can see it's over 40,000 feet. And so when you get to see thunderstorms over 40,000 feet, as they approach 50,000 feet especially, they're capable of producing that larger hail. So that's why we're keeping a close eye on this thunderstorm as it continues to make its way to the south through Jasper County. Now we can zoom back out on the storm tracker. And again, as I mentioned, many of us quiet. And if you're north of Interstate 70, you're likely not going to see any rain the rest of the evening. The showers and thunderstorms are firing along a front that's kind of stalled out over the Wabash Valley. So we have some more scattered activity over here in Indiana. No big organization though just yet, just this main complex of thunderstorms into portions of Effingham and Jasper County. The southern parts of the News 10 viewing area are under a severe thunderstorm watch. This is going to be in effect until 11 o'clock Eastern Time, though I wouldn't be surprised if this is trimmed down once we see this line of thunderstorms continue to sink to the south. Again, the main focus through the rest of the night is going to be in the southern half of the News 10 viewing area. So here's a look at Futurecast, and you'll notice it's not really picking up on these showers and thunderstorms, but they're definitely out there, and they'll continue to sink to the south over the next couple hours. And as we go into the overnight hours, this front looks to stall out pretty close to the Wabash Valley. That's going to be a concern because if more of these showers and thunderstorms fire up, they're not going to move very fast. And with all the humidity we have today, they're going to be able to produce lots of heavy rain. Now, Futurecast is bringing in another round of showers and thunderstorms as we get into tomorrow morning. Some models don't indicate that, so we're going to keep an eye on that closely as we go through the overnight hours. The showers and thunderstorms going to be possible for the first part of Tuesday before we start to dry out going into Tuesday afternoon. We'll clear out as well. Then the main story becomes the heat. Wednesday looking to be the hottest day of the work week with temperatures climbing into the 90s. Right now everyone's in the 80s, a few 90s out there including Rockville. It's 88 in Terre Haute, 89 in Newton, 88 in Olney. When you factor in the humidity, feeling much hotter than that, feeling like 101 right now in Terre Haute, 105 is the heat index in Sullivan, and 102 is what it feels like in Vincennes. So that's what those thunderstorms are working with, all that moisture that's in the air. But that's going to help keep our pollen counts down into the moderate category, so at least those rain showers will kind of keep those at bay as we go through the week. Forecast for tonight, 70 degrees, so a warm and muggy night with those isolated storms and the best chance for severe weather over the next couple hours. Then for tomorrow, 88 degrees, scattered morning storms, then the sky will gradually clear through the afternoon. As we get into tomorrow night, 74, so even warmer, another muggy night. As we look at the next 7 days, Wednesday going to be the hottest day of the next week. Another chance of showers and thunderstorms on Thursday. That'll try to cool us down into the middle 80s.